Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the kind of videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today, oh my god, I don't think you guys are going to believe it because I don't think I believe it yet. I have received PR from Revolution Pro. Can you believe it? Because I can't. Literally, I am over the moon. I'm in shock. I am so grateful for this. So thank you Revolution Pro for sending this over. They have a new collection coming out and I thought I was only getting like maybe one product. I didn't think I was getting the whole collection, so I cannot wait to show you this whole collection. It is insane and there's something different to this collection that is different for Revolution Pro to be bringing out. It's different for the whole of Revolution to be bringing out. So let's just dive into the box and start unboxing it for you. The first thing we have is this brush roll. This brush roll retails for £40. You get a lot of brushes in there. You get 10, you get face brushes and you get eye brushes, and they're very weighted. Like when I open them and felt them, they do feel very luxurious, so I can see why they're £40. They're so soft. I love the colour of them. It says on the handle exactly what brush it is. So this is a sculpting powder brush and it just feels so on brand with the rest of this collection. I just love it and I love the colour of the brush roll. It's not the same pink as everything else is. It's this nice like nudie kind of colour, and that just went in my gloss. And I believe you can like untie this and like tie it around the front. It's such a nice little brush roll and I cannot wait to actually start using it. You've got so many different brushes, and because I'm heavily into cream products at the moment, some of these are really good for cream products. So you've got a foundation brush, which I'm quite happy that it is this kind of shape and not those flat foundation brushes. You've got a contour brush, which I love a good bronzer, so that would work well with all my cream bronzers. You get a powder brush, which I love using these for under my eye. This would actually be perfect for blush too. A fluffy blending brush. So this again would probably be nice to just like put blush on or even a bit of bronzer on. So yeah, and then you get a few blending eye brushes, and then you get this like eyebrow double-ended brush, and I love these, and I love that it's like a little brush instead of like the swirly, what are those things called, spoolies. So yeah, happy to have some of their brushes. I think one of my favorite things from this collection is the tin of liners. I know this retails for £20, but you get a tin just like when you go to school and you have the pencil tins. I never had one of these because they never stored enough pencils for me. Then you get 10 liners, just look at that, and you get so many different shades. There's one shade in here that is really up my alley. I don't think there's shades names on them. It's this orange shade here. Literally cannot wait to use these. That actually felt really nice. I love Revolution liners now, so I love the Bratz ones, I love Tiffany's ones. So yeah, I'm glad to have these to join my collection. Then it comes with 3 eyeshadow palettes. If you buy the first colour book, which is the more colourful palette, then it actually does come with this like holder, and then if you buy the other 2 you can slot them in here. Actually quite cool, isn't it? I love that they do little vaults like this, because for someone like me that collects, I want the vault. And then the palettes just look like this. So this is the inside of the first one. This is the one that will come with the box. Just look at it. And that is the outside. They actually have like from 0 to 100 on it. They all have something different written on them. So happy. I just love the colour of these two, and I love Revolution Pro. It is more of the higher end spectrum when it comes to payment for them, but it's worth the quality to me. Then you've got the second one, which this one is called Ring Light Ready, because this whole collection is for if you're a smaller influencer or a creator that's just starting out. This is the collection for you because it has all the basics that you'll need, but very good quality products. So this is number 2, which is my favourite because it's cool tone. Love cool tone colours. And I forgot to say, you get 2 matte rows and then 3 shimmer rows. Love that. Oh no, that was number 3. So this is number 2. Number 2 is more warm tone. This is called Soft Glam, which just looks like this. Definitely more of your warmer tones, and I can see why they've called it Soft Glam. Again, you get the 2 matte rose, the 3 shimmer rose. I'm not going to swatch any of this just yet because I still want to do some TikToks on it, but I am going to do a video testing this collection, so if you want that video, it will come. And lastly, what makes this whole collection special is there's a journal in there. It's called the Interactive Handbook. It's called Influencer Overnight. So this whole range is in collaboration with the blogger agent, and you get a book. Now this is £15, but I looked in it and I love every single page of it. It definitely, if this was around when I was starting YouTube 10 years ago when I first had a channel, or like 6 years ago when I restarted this channel, then this would have been perfect. So the contents page has an introduction, it has what is an influencer, finding your niche, which is something I've kind of recently found, staying productive, a toolkit, picture perfect, no filter, money matters, quality control. So many different things on the contents page right there for people like me, and I really would have loved this journal a little while ago. And it is very interactive because obviously you can write all your personal details there. It's got passion, your unique qualities, market saturation, content idea pages. It's got so many different things. It had stuff in here about taxes, about if you're gifted products. It has it right here. This is the page I was talking about. It's got do's and don'ts. So here, don't get too comfortable. This is a professional relationship, and the language in your email needs to reflect exactly that. No text talk. So basically, I think this is do's and don'ts if you were trying to reach out to a brand, and which I've never really done before. So it's perfect and really is worth the money, I reckon. In my eyes, this is worth the £15, because if I would have got this when I first started YouTube, investment of £15 is amazing. I'm so grateful for this collection. I'm so grateful that I've actually received a whole collection from Revolution. Like, it is one of my dreams, and I really hope to continue receiving soft PR from Revolution and being able to show you things like this, like whole collections or parts of collections. This is so fun, and I'm so grateful, like so grateful. So I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you to you guys. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to sit here and unbox things, because you guys are the ones that like subscribe to me and everything. So thank you guys. I'm honestly in shock. So I hope you guys do have a lovely day. Thank you again, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.